This Airmaster Tiger 8260 air compressor offers a fantastic combination of performance, safety, and value for money. It is a great value compressor suitable for DIY and trade applications. The 8260, like all of the Tiger range, is perfect for paint spraying, tire inflation, blow cleaning, stapling, and more. The compressor has an easily accessible oil filler and sight gauge. The oil level should be checked daily. It features output pressure gauges, twin air outlets with valves, an output air pressure regulator to suit the tool that you're using, and automatic stop-start control, all to ensure that the air output can be controlled to meet your airtools needs. The 8260's automatic stop-start control offers the user greater control for the job in hand, and also ensures that the motor only runs when it has to. This saves energy, prolongs the lifespan of the motor, and saves you money. The CE-certified 2-horsepower 1500-watt motor drives a 7 cubic foot per minute compressor to a maximum pressure of a whopping 8 bar. A wide range of air tool accessories are available from your local Clark stockist. The 24-litre air receiver is protected by a fully automatic pressure switch. A condensate drain is located at the bottom of the tank, and this should be drained daily. The Tiger 8260 comes complete with wheels, a handle, an air filter, regulator, twin gauges, and a safety valve. The Airmaster Tiger 8260 air compressor, the ideal compressor for DIY, hobby, and light trade users for spraying, inflating, blowing, air tools, and more.